In this video, I'm going to show you how you can hide all of your posts on Facebook in a couple of clicks. So go to Facebook, then go to your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner. That will take you here. From here, you want to scroll down to Settings and Privacy. You'll see it'll be the second one. Click Settings and Privacy. Then click on Settings. Then once you're here in Settings, scroll down and you're looking here for Activity Log. So under Your Activity, you'll then see Activity Log. Click on that. Now go to your Facebook activity, it should be the top one, then scroll down and find Posts, then click Manage Posts. Now once you've done that, you can go to Filters, you can go All on Categories, then choose Your Posts, Videos and Photos, and then it will show you all of the posts you've made on Facebook. This is a demo account, I've only got 2. Then select All. Once you've done that, you've got all selected, click on the 3 dots in the bottom right hand corner, click Change Audience, then change to Only Me. That way only you will be able to view your posts. That's how you do it. I hope that helped.